Hello, my dear friends, viewers, and subscribers. Hope everyone is very fine. And this is Mehek. Today, I come with a new motivational topic, and the title of my topic is Invest in Your Mental Health. Like, friends, in the previous times that we were very concerned about our physical health, that we are investing our money in keeping our health physically strong and fit. Like we went to the gyms, and also we do the yoga and exercises also. But do you think that mental health is also as important as the physical health? Like I was shattered with the news of Sushant Singh Rajput, one of the famous film stars in our industry, and he committed the suicide just because of the depression. So why this depression comes and how we can overcome this depression? In my earlier video also, that I made the video on depression also, but now in this video I want to focus on our overall mental health, that how we can invest our time and money in the mental health. So friends, I was really felt sad and disappointed after hearing the news of this actor, and I felt that I should also speak some lines on it, that how we can encourage our people that to be strong enough to survive in this competitive world. Like most of our channels and also the people said that he has a name and fame, he also rich enough to survive in this world, but why he committed the suicide? And depression is like it's a feeling that kills ourselves from inside. So what is the meaning of the mental health? Mental health means that it includes our emotional, psychological, and social well-being. All the three aspects are covered in our mental health, and it also decides that how we talk, how we act, and how we behave in front of the another people. So mental health, like is it is in this time, in this tough times, it is difficult for everyone to keep stabilized with their mental health. So here I am going to tell you some of the strategies that how you can invest yourself in the mental health. Like friends, if you are feeling anxious sometimes and you have a panic attacks, and don't feel that you are the only one, because most of our people have experiencing and encountering the same feeling. So friends, don't worry about this. If you have the same feeling, just talk to your near ones, just talk to your friends and also your family members, because they are the one that who stand with you, who understand you in this mental problem. So don't hide your feelings, because in this feeling, in this mental stress, that you need someone with whom you can share your internal feelings. Like one quote can say that even the smilest face, even the happiest face have lot of the pains inside. A person who is sitting with you and talking in a very well manner, and he's smiling from outside, but it doesn't mean that he's okay internally. He's happy from internal self also. So friends, in this video, that here are some of the strategies that I want to tell you, that how you can invest in your mental health. First one is that exercise on each and every day. Friends, exercise, why that it's very important to do exercise for our physical fitness. Like most of the people have a gym membership subscription, they are doing yoga and meditation in their homes also. So mental fitness, mental health is also be very important, and this can be achieved by doing the yoga and exercises. Like when we are doing the yoga and exercises, it releases some of the brain chemicals, and that are act as a stress reliever for our body. So stress relievers, when you are doing some exercises like deep breathing, you can relieve your stress from your body and you feel more calm and relaxed. So second one is that get lost into the books. Like friends, do you think that when a person feel depressed and when he has a worry and anxious, he's find the escape halls, he just find himself that he just want to go out of the world and find some of the places where he can escape himself. So some of the things, some of the activities are really unhealthy for our body, like escape halls I can say. There are some escape halls a person can choose, like drinking, and also he can just for time pass, doing the time pass on the social media, and also distracting himself from this real world by doing some other activities. But these type of the escape halls are very temporary and they give the sense of relief for the short period of the time. But when you are lost in the books, when you are deeply indulge yourself in the books, that you can cool down your mind and just think about the story that is in the books. So friends, getting lost in the books is very important, and books are our real friends, because books, we can't like when we are reading the books we are thinking that we are doing something productive. So this is the another way. Next way is that time spent with your pet. If you have a pet, you and in your family, then you should spend your time with your pet, because human beings sometimes can't understand us, but our animals and our pets understand our feeling. If you are crying, just show that feeling in front of your pet. That pet understands you. So time spending with your pet, if you have, then it's really give you a mental peace. And the next strategy for investing in your mental health is that you should express gratitude. Expressing gratitude, how you can express the gratitude? Write journal, write notes in everyday basis, right? Diary entry, and in diary entry write 10 things that you are grateful for. Like if you are successful businessman, write in your diary that I am a successful businessman. If you are a intelligent student, write in your diary. So 10 things that you are grateful for. You have a home, you have a shelter, you have a good family, you have good social circle. So all these things you are grateful for, so write in your day. And the last way that you can do for your mental health is that invest yourself and treat yourself in healthier ways, in healthy ways. Like you are the very precious, your life is very precious for you and for your family also. So treat yourself in a very healthier way. Whatever the activity you like to do, spend some time on daily basis on that activity. If you like to do painting, if you like to do dancing, then invest 30 minutes or 1 hour on that particular day, and you will get the mental piece of work and sigh of relief. So friends, this is my video on invest in mental health, that how you can keep yourself emotionally strong, so that you can keep yourself away from these distractions and mental problems. So friends, I hope that you will like this video and subscribe my channel, share it with others. Thank you.